The fact that there are so many disconnected platforms vying for your attention is one of the difficulties presented by the smart home. IFTTT, which stands for If This Then That, is a helpful tool that may be used to tame this wilderness. You can significantly improve your daily life by using the hundreds of excellent recipes for smart home integration that are already available online. In this video, we will look at some of the IFTTT plus Alexa home automation ideas. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 10. Tell Alexa to lock up at night. To turn out the lights in the house by going around each room and turning them off is so 20th century. You can have Alexa take care of this task on your behalf instead. You will need to link to smart lighting and any smart gadget door platform to complete this. It will not lock your standard front door. Still, it will take care of most of the other responsibilities with the evening ritual of powering down. To ensure that everything is in working order before you turn everything off for the night, it is a good idea to go through this process multiple times. Number 9. Know when the laundry is done. Avoid letting your garments enter the moldy area at all costs. This is not healthy to leave them in the washer for several hours after the spin cycle has completed, even though they have been removed. When it is almost time to start a new load, this applet, compatible with Samsung smart washing machines, will send a notification to your phone. You will receive a notification 10 minutes before the cycle completes. Still, you have the option to change this to something that better meets your requirements. Just like with any other aspect of laundry, it may take some time until you figure out the optimal length of alert time that corresponds with your schedule. Number 8. Get ESPN alerts from Xfinity. The cable subscription is still the best option for people interested in sports, even though cutting the cable cord is currently all the rage. An intriguing applet developed by Xfinity Labs has been made available to Comcast customers. This applet will alert you directly on your television if there is significant new information on your preferred sports team. By selecting the team you are interested in learning more about, you will ensure that you keep up to date at all times. Number 7. Arm your Blink security system. The integration of home automation and security systems is a natural progression. When you leave the house, the Blink system will be activated by using this applet. To combine the system with IFTTT and link up your location with Blink, the system will need to be configured by you. Once you've taken care of it, you won't have to worry about it when you're getting ready to leave the house. Number 6. Automatically switch to night mode. This ingenious applet created by Weather Underground will turn down the brightness of your Philips Hue lights, adjust the temperature of your Nest thermostat to the perfect level, and activate a Wemo light switch at a specified time. When you use a platform such as IFTTT for your smart plugs and lights, one of the benefits is that you will be able to connect 3 separate platforms simultaneously, making your life easier and even impressing your guests. Number 5. Trigger activities with the help of your Harmony TV remote. When Harmony first released its smart TV remotes, the most excited customers were those who enjoyed playing PlayStation and watching sporting events. And with good reason. Given that these remotes enable users to perform various tasks with the press of a single button, the popularity of these devices continue to rise. Alexa and Harmony have recently collaborated to eliminate the need to press the button. This allows you to begin the activity by issuing a voice command to your device. Simply utter the trigger phrase, "Alexa, watch TV," and the action will be triggered. With only one command, your television, cable box, and receiver will all power up and begin receiving signals. You will simply need to grant the required permissions to IFTTT within the IFTTT app. After that, you will never have to worry about putting your enormous tub of popcorn back on the table to watch the game again. Number 4. Adjust the temperature. Changing the temperature using a smart thermostat like Nest is one of the fun things you can do with Alexa when you use the IFTTT recipes. It connects to the network in your smart home. It has the capability of being programmed to make adjustments automatically according to a schedule that you select. But what if you find that you are still overheated or underdressed? Using this method, you must tell your voice assistant, "Alexa, tell Nest to set the temperature to 70, and it will make the necessary adjustments. You also have the option of creating your bespoke trigger phase. Because you can program in one or more user-defined words, establishing the ideal temperature in a hurry is a piece of cake. Number 3. Sync all your to-do lists with Google Calendar. You ought to try this Google Calendar applet if you have a lot of stuff running through your head all the time that you need to remember. You must begin by activating the recipe within the IFTTT app on your device. Next, give Gmail permission to continue by approving the necessary permissions. After that, your to-do list can be constructed with the help of Voice Assistant. The Voice Assistant will add a quick add event to your Google Calendar whenever you add something new to the list. The quick add button is the most important here. This indicates that the recipe will not assign a date or time to the task. Instead, it will create an event with the time and date of right now. You will need to go back and make changes to the requirements later. Number 2. Add songs to your Spotify playlist. Do you wish to modify and modernize your existing music collection? This IFTTT recipe for Alexa will add the song numbers of any new songs played by the Amazon Assistant and send them to the Spotify playlist of your choice. To begin, you will need to follow the instructions provided to IFTTT to connect Alexa and Spotify to your account. After you have completed everything, you will need to configure the appropriate IFTTT permission for both. It also includes establishing a new playlist on Spotify or selecting one already existing. The Echo device assistant will deliver all of the new songs to the playlist you choose. Do you consider this one of the more helpful commands for Alexa? You can now quickly add songs from your Alexa device to your playlists on Spotify. Number 1. Voice control smart home devices. This recipe we consider one of the best Alexa channel commands on our list, and it ensures that the idea of a smart home is no longer an inaccessible concept and can instead be implemented by everyone. Smart remotely controlling your electrical appliances as soon as you get your hands on a Wemo smart switch, which can be purchased for about $25. The assistant with the Echo device can be instructed verbally to perform actions such as shutting off fans and lights or turning them on. This is now feasible because of the availability of cost-effective home automation systems that can be operated by voice commands or remote controls. To turn your lighting on and off, you must select the appropriate voice command, such as Alexa trigger plus your phrase. This allows your smart plug to turn on or off the appliance in question. What do you think of the video? Let us know your favorite part of the video in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more home automation videos, subscribe and leave a comment saying "I subscribed." I'll personally reply to your comment. See you next time. Thanks for watching.